What's up everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to log out of your Spotify account on any device you are logged in on. To do so, we have to head to the Spotify website, not the app. Let's do it on the phone here. You can also do it on the browser using the same method. Here, I'll open Google Chrome. And I have my Spotify account here, homepage. I'm logged in with my account. If you aren't logged in, go ahead and log in with your account. I'll hit the settings icon on the top right corner here. And then I'll hit view account. Here it'll open my account overview page. If I scroll to the very bottom here, I'll see where it says sign out everywhere. If I tap on that, I'll sign out of all my devices that are using my Spotify account. Meaning, if I'm logged in with my account on several devices, it'll log me out on all of these devices. And I have, of course, the option to close or delete my account, my data. That's right below it here in the close account section.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.